Have you been looking for a way to get Instagram likes for free? Look no further, because today I'll show you a new website I use to get my Instagram likes for free. Firstly, kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword SocialGreg. Scroll down and select the read more below the post. Now kindly use any email and password of your choice. As you can see, our likes has been sent successfully and should arrive on our Instagram post in 3 minutes. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.